Hi everyone, I just wanted to have a chat to you about the clinical EFT points and where they are specifically. So in 2018, a meta-analysis was done and they compared 6 clinical EFT trials. What they compared was tapping on the clinical EFT points, tapping on sham points, and then doing some deep breathing exercises. And what they found as a part of this meta-analysis, with overwhelmingly convincing results, was that tapping on the meridian endpoints quite specifically was a key component, an active ingredient, as they call it in the study, to the success of EFT. So whilst the points are reasonably generous, you do want to make sure that you're actually tapping in the right place. So in clinical EFT, we always start with the eyebrow point, and that's right here where the start of the hairline is for your eyebrows. So when you're tapping, you're always tapping at least 6 to 7 times in that spot. And if you feel like that spot feels particularly good for you, then you can stay there longer. So this is the eyebrow point. The next point that we do in clinical EFT is if you follow that hairline down to the side of your eye. So we're not poking ourselves in the eye, we're not tapping on our temple. You're really following that hairline down directly, and you're just finding the edge of that eye socket there, and you're tapping on the side of that bone, but it shouldn't cause you any pain. The next spot is if you follow that bone line under the eye, and you use 2 or 3 fingers, and you're just tapping here. The next one is under the nose, and you really want to get, if you can, 3 fingers across to maximize that point. The next one is the chin point. So we're not tapping on our chin, we're really tapping in this crease here. And if you can, again, 2 or 3 fingers, whatever suits you. The next point is the collarbone point. So you want to find these 2 bones and then come down a few centimeters and out a few centimeters. So when you're tapping here, you can use 2 hands, you can use an open hand and activate this side with your fingers and this side with your thumb. You can do one side at a time. Under the arm, for us ladies, is directly in line with your bra line or nipple line for both men and women. You want to tap under your arm with a flat palm. And then lastly, on top of your head. So you can do that also with fingers or with a flat hand. It doesn't matter if you use your right hand on your left side, your left hand on the right side, you cross over, you do both at the same time, or you just do one. It's about what feels comfortable for you. We always start with the eyebrow point in clinical EFT, as that's how, when they do the clinical research, they always start with the eyebrow point and follow that particular process. So I just wanted to let you know where specifically the points are, and so that you can maximize and make sure that you're getting into the right spots and tapping on the right spots when you're doing your own practice at home.